Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Chant and be happy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Experience the formulas from the highest to the lowest vibrations. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Nature has unavoidable consequences. Control your emotions towards your true duty. We must all serve other than ourselves. Religious fighting is against the aggressors and in self-defense, are in self-defense. The ruling class has the duty for its wars to be on that principle. The chaos in society is largely due to a lack of training towards the real duties of the classes. Prabhupada married an 11-year-old who gave birth at 14. Polygamy is to be an honor to the women by giving each an opportunity to be married. People were generally kept apart till adolescence. So that, qualifies a couple sentences earlier, doesn't it? Because you don't consummate the marriage with the child. That's, the preparation before marrying or, moving in for the marriage was almost as a second marriage. There is no pollution that is without a means of cleansing or toning. The mind, bodies, and other means is not the point. The animal bodies and other means is not the point. Rather than in terms of superiority, view all matter in terms of means and vehicles with rights. It is necessary to endure cause and effect and to seek external guidance. The plants and animals of other realms than the material are not perceivable by material senses, but the wonders of the afterlife may be witnessed in life. The sent ones were for giving the best examples in what roles they found themselves in. Work on acquiring what will not separate from you upon death. The sadhu, the goodly, the straitened, need to be tolerant. Marriage is seen as a duty beyond personal wants. Ruling should be by consent, even when it is by right. No matter how fallen, a person can rise upon guidance. Any position of superiority or authority necessitates being representative of God's principles. That's what they're supposed to be doing, in other words. Material position doesn't justify acts alone. Austerities like fasting and extra chanting are recommended over self-harm. Religious ritual shouldn't be a profession, but a part of comprehensive spiritual expression. Ya etan martyam unnitsya bhangavate aprateruhe Druhyate Ajna Prthong Drshtes Tatvato Vimuko Bhavat. Whoever, with the body as a reference, refers to the personality of God, who is not envious and bearing envy, are less intelligent, seeing duality from transcendental knowledge, bereft may become. Okay, let me reword that one. So whoever, because of their bodily and dualist way of looking at things, sees Daksha as superior and more important, and neglecting the personality of God. Oh, we have that reference twice, don't we? The personality of God is less intelligent, and because of the way they're reacting towards God, they will be bereft of that knowledge. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hari Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari. Omniscient, omnipotent, omnipresent, God of light, God of sound. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hari Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari. Realize the potency of the all-attractive, the all-enjoying. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hari Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari.